Well, I tried me something here just to see if I could get it to work. It was just a test and everything, and it seems to work pretty good, but I'd had to figure out some way or other to do this to do it. So, uh, see right here, that's a bolt. As a nut washer, the nut and wire come by, just turn it a little bit, turn it, the light comes on. See, it's just making contact. See, it works pretty good. Of course, I'd have to do it differently, stuff like that, but I'm just saying that I just have to touch it, turn it. I do more adjusting on it, but I didn't have my solder and everything that I need. I run out of solder and everything, so I did it by hand just temporarily right now. But let's say I just take it, turn it off, light goes off. So this is my homemade switch. We're using a bolt. This bolt and everything right there, just a homemade switch. So I'm saying it could be possible to do it like that, but I just want to let y'all know it's possible to use a bolt and a couple nuts to make you a switch. And there we go. This next one to do is going to be a whole lot different than this, but about the same process. Okay. Just wanted to show you this. Okay, bye.